Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. I've made the rasam powder and so many of you were asking me how we're going to use this rasam powder. So today I'm going to show you a very simple rasam that we can make using this rasam powder. Take a nice deep saucepan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. To this I'm going to add mustard seeds, urud dal, cumin seeds and a few red chilies. Add roughly pound ginger and garlic. I've taken a few cloves of garlic and a piece of ginger. Then add the curry leaves. To this now I'm going to add 3 medium-sized tomatoes and then add a teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Now you can see I've added big chunks of tomatoes. It'll be nice when you make rasam when you use big chunks. If you want, you can chop them fine as well. And finally add the rasam powder. I'm going to add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of rasam powder. So you can taste it, and if you need more, you can add more. So once you've sauteed the tomatoes for about 2 minutes, add water. You can add about 3 to 4 cups and let it boil for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium flame. Now you can see the tomatoes are almost cooked. You can add about 2 teaspoons of thick tamarind puree at this point and mix it well and let it boil for another 5 minutes. Once your rasam is ready, check for seasoning, make sure the salt is okay. Finally garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. So there you have the simple and spicy rasam that you can make at home using this rasam powder. So enjoy this. If you're feeling under the weather or if you have a bad throat, you can make this or simply enjoy it with a bowl of rice. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram.